Okay, let me explain a little bit about Atin Ito, or in English it's called This Is Ours. It is now conducting what you call a convoy in the Scarborough Shoal. But the very purpose, as far as the organizer is concerned, is to assert what you call Philippine rights in that area of the South China Sea. In terms of connection between Ray Powell and his project Satellite and Project Mushu, and I think in terms of connection with the current Philippine government, there is some kind of alleged speculations that it is funded as well by the United States and also, of course, by the Philippine government to a greater extent. And in a way, you can see that there are, communication and connection between Ray Powell and some of the organizers as well of this Atin Ito coalition. And of course, the very intent of this is why they're doing this kind of convoy in the Scarborough Shoal area is to challenge actually China's claim in the South China Sea, especially in Scarborough Shoal. Also to have a media hype and projection that, the civilians, the Filipino civilians are asserting the rights, especially the exclusive economic rights of the Philippines. And to a greater extent also, this is a publicity stunt because many media personalities and media practitioners are part and parcel of this convoy. So that's basically the short and brief description of this activity right now.